Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kids Learn Zone. English speaking practice for kids. Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Bella.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What time is it?
It is 3 p.m.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Where do you live?
I live in Karachi.
How's the weather today?
It's cloudy.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is burger.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing cricket.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two siblings.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is drawing.
Can I borrow your pencil?
Sure.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school is English.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Nice to meet you, Bella. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye kids.